Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Vagaro. Vagaro is a popular appointment booking software used by many businesses, including salons, spas, and fitness studios. While it's a great tool, there may be times when you need to cancel your account. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of canceling your Vagaro account. I'll also cover some important things to keep in mind before you cancel. How to cancel Vagaro. To cancel your Vagaro account, follow these steps. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Account tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Cancel My Account button. You will be asked to confirm that you want to cancel your account. Click on the Yes button. You will receive a confirmation email from Vagaro. Important things to keep in mind before you cancel. Before you cancel your Vagaro account, there are a few things you should keep in mind. You will lose access to your data. When you cancel your Vagaro account, you will lose access to all of your data, including your appointments, clients, and products. You will not be able to get a refund. Once you cancel your Vagaro account, you will not be able to get a refund for any unused months of your subscription. You may be able to transfer your data to another platform. If you are switching to another appointment booking software, you may be able to transfer your data from Vagaro to the new platform. If you are sure that you want to cancel your Vagaro account, follow the steps outlined in this video. Be sure to keep in mind the important things to consider before you cancel. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to cancel Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.